Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be doing the Call of Duty FPS test in the Poco X3 device. As you can see right now, I'm holding the Poco X3 smartphone. And if you're watching first time this channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel friends, because every day I'll be posting so many videos on the Poco X3 device. And in case if you're planning to buy the Poco X3 device, and you can watch all the videos in one single playlist, so which I created only for the Poco X3 users, as you can see. So there's a playlist available, links in description, so try to check the playlist and try to follow my channel regularly, so you'll get more updates on the Poco X3 in terms of the battery drain and charging test and everything, even the speakers, haptic feedback. There are so many things which I need to do so many videos on the Poco X3. So definitely I'll be doing so many videos as soon as possible, so that you can decide whether to buy the phone or not. So the best part of this phone is that it does have the dual speaker setup, which is very good. So seriously good friends, while you're playing any games, you can seriously hear the sound surrounding system because of this dual stereo speaker setup. So let me try to open the settings here right now. As you can see, the graphics are what I'm using currently. As you can see, low graphics and the maximum FPS. So let's see if you're using the low graphics quality and maximum FPS, what is the total FPS count you can get here. So let me try to select the match. So right now I'm in the just level 2. This is an account which I created only for the testing, so I was not able to play the battle royale, but I'll be showing in this small game. So right now with the low graphics settings and with the high FPS count, as you can see the FPS meter how much it is. So let me try to zoom into the FPS, so you can exactly focus on the FPS count only. But overall the gameplay is very good and very smooth. I did enable the 120Hz display of this phone, so which is also pretty advantage while playing this type of games. As you can see friends, it's pretty smooth while playing the game without any problem. Try to watch the gameplay for some times, and do let me know how you're feeling about this phone. And in case if you have any queries regarding the Poco X3 smartphone, do comment below what are the other videos you want me to make. I'll definitely try to make those videos as soon as possible in the Poco X3 smartphone. So I did like the speaker in this phone, and gameplay is very smooth without any problem overall while playing the game. As you can, so now let me try to focus on the FPS count here, how much I am getting. So let me try to run the game and show you the FPS count. So like exactly you can see the FPS count, how much I'm getting. As you can see here friends, 61 FPS. So overall you can definitely achieve the 60 FPS mark if you're playing with the low quality. Now let me try to change the settings to the different graphics. So open the settings and go to the graphics, and let me try to select the medium and the maximum FPS. So let's see using with the medium and maximum, what is the total FPS you can get here. So now let me try to run the game and show you the FPS count. So as you can see friends, even with the medium and the high FPS, I can easily get the 60 FPS mark while playing the game. So now let me try to run again and show you the FPS count, how much it is. So 60 FPS, so you are getting right now, even with the medium and the high FPS. So now let me try to select the high and the maximum FPS. So let's see what is the FPS count you can get right now. So as you can see, you're getting even 60 right now at the moment.
Enemy in sight. Reloading. Reloading. Cover me. Reloading.
As you can see, friends, the gameplay is pretty good. I'll do the battery draining test as well while playing the PUBG game and Call of Duty. So stay tuned for more videos, friends.
Enemy contact. Down. Need backup.
So now let me try to select the maximum settings. So very high and very high. So let's see if you're using the very high settings, how much you can actually get while playing the game. So you can see 60 FPS. So even with the high settings also you're getting the 60 FPS mark while playing the game. So there is also good advantage here.
Changing mag.
So right now you can see a friend 60 FPS. So now let me try to show you the maximum FPS. So overall, the Call of Duty game is actually supported with the 60 FPS without any issues, even if you're choosing the high graphics settings. So that's a good advantage in this mobile phone. So for more videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel SciTech Guru, and definitely I'll be doing the battery draining as well while playing the Call of Duty or PUBG Mobile. So my next upcoming video will be on the Free Fire game as well. So stay tuned for that video as well, friends. And if you have any other request for this video on this phone Poco X3, do comment below. I'll try to make a videos on that one as well. And see you in the next video, friends. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye.